Hi, it's me, Laura. I feel like I'm always on the floor telling you about my favorite things, but today I am with the grandkids at my son's house, and I wanted to show you one of their favorite toys that they've been playing with so often since I've been here. Ta-da! It is this kitchen. Obviously you can tell it's messy because we play with it so much when I am here. We play restaurant, we play mommy and daddy, we play grandma and grandpa, serving the food, creating all different kinds of things. But let me show you some of my favorite parts. So this sink is removable. So if anything ever gets in there, like real stuff, it can actually be taken out to wash. It pops right back in. We have shelves that are removable for the same exact reason. Not only is it fun to remove things when you're small and easy to put in, this is plastic so it doesn't break. It slides right back into the shelf area, slides in, super simple. All the little fun toys that belong in the kitchen fit under the shelving. The pots and pans have burners on here. Of course, not real, but they're fun because you can turn them on. You can press the buttons. Did you see that one? Press the buttons over here. So you're really looking like you're cooking. The fan. Yes. So you know. Little lights on here. Oh, I pressed it twice. Of course, it's light in this room, so it doesn't show up as well, but there is an actual light. There's little cup hooks to hang up here. They just thought of everything. The microwave opens and closes with the pretend buttons over here, so you can know what time it is. And of course, you have the refrigerator or freezer, if you want to call it, because this is a nice machine. Oh my goodness. The little blocks of ice that actually come out of the machine go right back into the little slot so they're able to go for the next time. If you are in need of an adorable little kitchen that the kids will spend hours and hours of fun doing it, this would be one that I would choose.